If my life depended on convincing someone to make videos as their career, it would be that it makes every moment count. To capture amazing things, to film what matters, you have to get up, you have to go find it, you have to search for something beautiful or meaningful.
You're doing a video every day when you're out.
Yeah, well, not every day, but I'll do quite a few. I just want to make some stuff, you know? The internet is the most competitive space. You're not just competing with everyone uploading right now, you're competing with every video that's ever been uploaded. The chances are that when you start putting out videos, other people will have already covered those categories and done a better job than you.
Really looking forward to see where this channel goes, and really I'm mostly interested to see if you guys catch on and if I actually get people that come on and have a look and be, I want to see more of this.
Mornings are always the best time to film because there's no one about. You have the world to yourself. It's like an unspoiled canvas. It's just you, your gear, and your vision. The state of this filming location is incredible. The water's crystal clear and the beach is basically made of gemstones. It's mad. Making videos takes time and care. I found that the biggest mistake people make when they start out is thinking that because they've put a lot of effort into making something, they deserve views, they deserve people to watch their content.
Excellent all round. We're good to go.
Capturing people's attention is to earn other people's time. It's the most valuable thing that they have, and for them to give up a part of their life to watch your work is really quite an honor. Thank you.
Tom here, and today I'm going to bring you my transformation, basically.
Tom has managed to give so much value that 998,000 people have chosen to subscribe to him. That's the reason that we're here, to make something a little special over the next few weeks to celebrate completing the climb to 1 million. Bit sinky, that.
Yeah, I think I thought it was going to be.
We use a 3-cam setup with an A-cam, a B-cam, and then a dynamic camera, which I operate to move around and just get some variety. I love working with others because I can focus on just capturing, finding the best angles, listening to their vision, framing the light, taking it through every stage of the camera, and keeping Molly entertained. That's key for Tom's videos.
Molly come. Molly come.
Today's challenge was to focus on storytelling, to capture your attention through narration and hold it, as I do. See you soon.